is a long story, version B by Claudia Tremblay, in size 40 by 50 cm rounds, special treatment version 1. Starts with Arctic pearls, used to fill in her hair clip. We've also sprinkled chili pearls for her sash or her belt and also her skirt. So simply sprinkle it in those areas. And this is version 1 for It Is a Long Story. It Is a Long Story version B by Claudia Tremblay in size 40 by 50 cm rounds, version 2 special treatment. Now adds avocado pearls to the man's coat and pants. So simply sprinkle it in the light green areas of his suit. It Is a Long Story version B by Claudia Tremblay, 40 by 50 cm rounds, special treatment, version 3. Now adds electric diamonds sprinkled in the white areas in the sky, and also some alexandrite sprinkled in the dark blue areas of the sky. So this gives it that very magical feel.